Assalamu alaikum. It's Abstract Online Support Program. Level is HSSC, and your class is first year HSSC 1. Okay, so now we are going to start new chapter, that is partial fraction, chapter number 5. Although that you have learned this chapter from matriculation, means in previous classes, uh, and in this class the same cases are there, means case 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now so case 1 we are going to start. What is case 1? Case 1 means then if we have the linear factors and non-repeated factors. Linear and non-repeated factors, so that is very easy case. So how we can do it? So I'm just going to explain exercise 5.1 on page number 183. Okay, before we are going to formally start exercise 5.1, we have to know that these two definitions, that what is proper rational fraction and what is improper rational fraction. Okay, you all know that what is fraction, by the way, that if we can express in the terms of p upon q, so that is called fraction. Okay, so a rational fraction, what does it mean? A rational fraction, that p of x upon q of x, where p of x and q of x is not equal to 0, is called proper rational fraction if, this is the important thing, if the degree of p of x means numerator. ठीक है, if the degree of polynomial p of x means यहाँ पे polynomial होगा और यहाँ पे भी polynomial, ऊपर भी polynomial, नीचे भी polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial p of x is less than the degree of polynomial q of x, मीन्स ऊपर वाले की डिग्री अगर छोटी हो नीचे वाले की डिग्री से, मतलब पावर अगर छोटी हो, हाईएस्ट पावर, लाइक दिस यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे x रेशियो द पावर 0 है एंड x रेशियो द पावर 1 है. पावर ऊपर कम है, नीचे पावर ज़्यादा है. यहाँ पे x रेशियो द पावर 1 है, x की पावर स्क्वायर है, पावर ऊपर कम है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर रैशनल फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, ऊपर पावर कम हो नीचे ज़्यादा हो तो प्रॉपर रैशनल फ्रैक्शन. नाउ improper rational fraction, if p of x is greater than or equal to degree of polynomial. अगर ये बराबर हो, मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्स क्यूब यहाँ पे बड़ी पावर है और एक्स छोटी पावर है, या एक्स क्यूब और एक्स क्यूब हो, एक्स स्क्वायर हो, एक्स क्यूब एक्स स्क्वायर हो. So p of x power should be greater than the q of x, then it is called improper rational fraction. So first we have to know these two definitions, that what is improper and proper rational fraction, although that you have done in matriculation, but for the revision I just write it down here as well. Okay, so what is the question in the exam? Resolving the following into partial fraction. What is partial fraction? That making this thing into the terms 1 upon x square minus 1, we have to separate, or we can say that if what is the LCM breaker, that if we just do the simplification, if we do the simplification then we get this result. Okay, so partially we have to break this. Okay, now first of all 1 upon x square minus 1, we can write 1 upon x minus 1 x plus 1, a square minus b square is a plus b minus b. Now x minus 1, this is a upon x minus a, and b and c and d are called arbitrary constants, means a b c d की वैल्यू चेंज होती रहेगी. ठीक है, a upon x minus 1, b upon x plus 1, means first factor is upon a and second factor is upon b. Okay, now multiplying x minus 1 x plus 1, so we will cancel out this x minus 1 x plus 1, only 1 is remaining. So after taking the LCM, a x plus 1 b x minus 1. Okay, now that is equation number 1. So put x minus 1, because this is put x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, so b should be equal to 0. 1 अगर पुट करते हैं तो b यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. 1 minus 1 0, 0 multiply by 0, so a की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1 plus 1 2 एंड 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा 1 upon 2, a की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 1 upon 2. एंड सेम एज पुट x इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 1, तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 पुट करेंगे तो b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 upon 2. ये आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट्स की वैल्यू वी शुड नो. आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू निकल गई, इसको पुट कर देंगे हम वापस ही. ठीक है, जब वापस हम पुट कर देंगे a और b की जगह, a की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा 1/2 और b की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा -1/2, तो प्लस माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा 1/2 x + 1. So this is the resolve. We have resolved these into partial fraction. Question number 1 answer. Now question number 2, you can see here x minus 1 x plus 1. If we multiply these two things with the formula x square minus 1, this is improper rational fraction. As I said in last slide or first slide, x square minus 1 power is same, degree is same, improper rational fraction. So whenever we have improper rational fraction, first we have to divide करेंगे हम, ताकि इसको हम proper बना लें. So x square minus 1 is the divisor and x square plus 1 is the dividend. So x square 1 is x square, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So x square minus x square is cancelled, plus 1 plus 2. So how can I write 1 plus 2 upon x square minus 1? You can see here. You can see here 1 upon x square minus 1, और 1 upon x square minus 1 को 1 upon x square minus 1 को हमने क्या लिख दिया x plus 1 x minus 1. So this is called proper rational fraction. ठीक है. So proper rational fraction, again the same thing, बिल्कुल the same scenario. You can see here this thing and this thing is same. So after having a and b, just put it here and then you will have the result of this fraction. Okay, now question number 6. Why I choose this question? Because there is a b c, there is no constant. a 1 2 3 4 कोई भी नंबर नहीं, a b c है. ठीक है. So now this is called linear factors. Why? Because x raised to the power 1 है, तो linear factor हो गए. ठीक है. And non repeated roots means x की वैल्यू a आएगी, b आएगी, c आएगी. ठीक है. So non repeated है. So case number 1, how we can case number 1, a upon x minus 1, b upon x minus b, c upon x minus c, like this. And after taking the LCM, then only x is remaining here in left hand side, and a upon a multiplied by x minus b, x minus c, like this. b x minus a, x minus c, like this. c x minus a, x minus b, like this. Okay. And after the multiplication, this should be cancelled out. So now we have to put the value x is equal to a. If x is equal to a I put, so a minus a is 0, so ये term पूरी 0 जाएगी, b is multiplied by 0 is 0 and ये term भी 0 जाएगी, so only a is ये term रह जाएगी. ठीक है. So a minus b, a minus c is here, x की जगह पे a आ गया. So a upon a minus b, a minus c is the value of capital A, and capital B, like again same, capital B is b upon b minus a, c, b minus c, and this is c. Okay, this is c, this is not b, and capital C is equal to small c upon c minus a, c minus b. So after putting this thing in this scenario, a b c की जगह put कर दिया, so you can have this answer and you resolve this into the partial fraction like this. Okay, now more complicated question, that is question number 8. 2x is cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3 upon 2x cube plus x square minus 3x. First of all, we have to check this is a rational fraction or irrational fraction. If it is a irrational fraction, so we have to move to the rational fraction, means proper rational fraction. So that is improper rational fraction, no? That is improper. So how we can make the proper rational fraction? Proper rational fraction, we have to make this is the divisor and it should be a dividend. So 2x cube plus x square minus 3x is outside from the divided side, and 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3 is the inside the divide sign. So 2x cube, 1 is 2x cube. Achha, why it is improper rational fraction? Because degree is same. degree is same, means x cube is same. Okay, so 2x cube 1 is 2x cube, x cube 1 is x cube, and minus 3x 1 is minus 3x, minus minus plus sign change हो जाएंगे. It should be cancel out, and plus x square minus x square is also cancel out. Minus 3x plus 3 minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x, and plus 3 is same. So how can I write? 1 is here, quotient is here, 1 plus this remainder minus 2x plus 3 is here, and 2x cube plus x square minus 3 is in the upon. Okay, so now you can see here 1 is here. It is now proper rational fraction. Q. Why? Because you can see here x is because x and x cube बचेगा ना, तो ऊपर आपके पास पावर 1 आ गई, नीचे पावर 3 है. ठीक है, तो ये प्रॉपर रैशनल फ्रैक्शन हो गया. नाउ I took the common x. Okay, I took the common x here, so x कॉमन ले लिया हमने. So 2x square plus 3x minus 2x means plus x is only remaining, and minus 3. Okay, so minus 2x plus 3 upon x, 2x plus 3x minus 1 after the making the factors. Now, and we can write 3 minus 2x as well. Okay, 3 minus 2x, x 2x plus 3 x minus 1, इसको सीधा करके लिख लीजिए. ठीक है, सो ये किसके पर देखो लीनियर फैक्टर्स हैं, x 2x plus 3 x minus 1 और नॉन रिपीटेड भी है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, a अपॉन x b अपॉन 2x plus 3 c अपॉन x minus 1, and 3 minus 2x is here, a multiplied by 2x plus 3 x minus 1, b multiplied by x and x minus 1, and c multiplied by x 2x plus 3. Then again the same scenario, put x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, this term and this term will be 0, and in this bracket 3 is remaining and minus 1 is remaining. So 3 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3 multiplied by a minus 3a upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now what is the next factor? Next factor is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, so minus 3 upon 2 we have to put like this, minus 3 upon 2 in equation number 1. So x की जगह minus 3 upon 2 put कर दिया, 2 से 2 कैंसिल, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल जाएगा, 0 रह जाएगा, ये टर्म भी 0, ये टर्म भी 0. ओके, अच्छा 2 प्लस 2 से 2 कैंसिल, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 3 प्लस 6 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड ये टर्म 0 हो गया, माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 3 द 15, 15 अपॉन 4, 4 9 जा, इसको गिर लिया, 6 इज इक्वल टू, सॉरी इट इज नॉट 9, इट इज 6 इज इक्वल टू 15 अपॉन 4, 3 2 जा 3 5 जा. ठीक है, सो इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया आपस में, तो 8 अपॉन 5 आपके पास वैल्यू आ गई. इसी तरह से सी की वैल्यू निकाल ली आपने, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू पुट बैक इन दिस केस. अच्छा, एक बात दोबारा गौर से सुनो, अगर किसी को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा ये फैक्टर मैक्टर कैसे बनाए, तो इसको आप खुद भी अपने तरीके से कर सकते हो, ज़रूरी नहीं यही तरीका अडॉप्ट करो. आई एम रिपीटिंग माई सेंटेंस, दैट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू ऑप्ट दिस मेथड, यू कैन यूज़ अनदर मेथड एज वेल. ओके, अगर किसी को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये फैक्टर कैसे बनाए, क्या हो रहा है, तो आपने खुद भी डिवाइड करना तो आपको आता होगा, डिवाइड करके उसके फैक्टर्स आपने बना लिए. यहाँ ये चीज़ जो है नहीं है, इसको समझ लिया. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन 3 4 5 7 इज द होमवर्क इन एक्सरसाइज 5.1. लाइक जो हम लोगों ने अभी 4-5 क्वेश्चन किए उसी तरह से 3 4 5 7 होंगे, बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली वन वे टू लर्न मैथ्स, इज टू डू मैथ्स. तो मैथ्स करोगे मैथ्स आएगी. ठीक है, बट इफ़ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी, एनी प्रॉब्लम, सो यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू योर mass period. Okay, thank you for attention. Allah Hafiz.